Recording? Is it recording?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'm Chapman. I am unboxing my first new guitar ever. And as you can see, it's a process. But the reason I'm making a video is because, one, it's the internet. Everyone makes videos about the things that they do and the minutiae about their day. But two, because this particular guitar is one that I helped build. And by that, I mean it's a Chapman. I bought it from Rip City, so I get a cookie. It's the, let's see here, which one is it? Oh, I got the snip cord doodle. Wonderful. It's nice packaging, by the way. You got a little guitar symbol right there. Sorry for the mess. Yes, I need to open it like on Christmas. Sean, why don't you just let gravity do the work? Why are you being so stupid? Because I am. Knife, where'd you go? Ah, there it is. Ryan, are you doing a panoramic of all of my things?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, as you saw on the panoramic, the only guitars that were ever purchased new were that ML3, which is no longer stock, and that Fender Jazz Bass, which is, of course, also no longer stock. So that was it. Which one? What?
Wasn't the Ibanez right there?
No, the Ibanez was used from
Okay.
Atomic Music. And Atomic Music is a cool place because it's like Magic Guitar Center, but make it all used instruments, so they're all cheaper. So like musicians' price, because we're all poor. And then imagine walls of guitars, and then more walls of guitars, and then the back there's drummer for they belong. Only complaint I have is that the bassist section is a little bit thin, so that's just because bassists are lazy. And
We got this beautiful thing.
what, yours?
Mm-hmm.
Eh, whatever.
Yeah.
It's active. It has a battery. It doesn't count.
You don't count.
I don't count. So this is the gig bag it comes in. Watch it.
That happened.
This is the wonderful gig bag, which is cool because it
That's
has
beautiful.
backpack straps, and I could do this. I'm just kidding. I'm not coming to it. That's stupid. I am. No,
Yes, he is.
I'm not.
He
My
is.
sister. My sister. Or I don't know how the line goes. Who am I kidding? I saw it on NCIS. Well, I want to thank Rob Chapman for having a really awesome company, and to Joe at Rift City, and particularly Seth at Rift City, because he was really tolerant of me. I hounded him a lot. A lot. Like, more than a real person should hound a person.
What is that you just took out?
That's a bunch of stuff.
Ah, okay.
So, this is the part where I do this a lot, because you can't stand this sort of material stuff.
You missed.
I know, I didn't intend to hate you, that'd be a douche move.
Yeah. Just like with the box.
So, it smells like wood and factory. Smokery and not the food either. Alright. Oh,
Ooh.
that's absolutely beautiful. And it's blue. This is one of the things that I want. Sorry, Ryan.
That's gonna be
Alright,
happening more
let's get
often.
a good view of this top here. Because one thing they do really well at World Music They do a really good job of making it look like one piece of wood. But it's two. It's two pieces of wood. You can see the line if you look really hard. Like right here, where that line is, and it stops randomly. It doesn't happen naturally in trees. But it's tuned! That's wonderful! That's splendid. I'm gonna plug this in and stop talking because I talk too much.
You got that right.
Shut up, Ryan. You don't know anything. You know nothing about nothing, Ryan. Just kidding. I love you. Don't hurt me.
What he's playing through right now.
Oh, I'm not playing through that. I'm playing through my PV Delta Blues 210 with a stock PV speaker. The other one's an Eminence of some kind. I don't know because the thing he's off of it, but that's what the people at Atomic said. Atomic Music, where you can get all of your used instruments. Are you videotaping my crotch right now?
No, I'm videotaping the
Who on YouTube wants to see Sean's crotch?
Nobody.
No one! Alright. So.
Just letting you talk about something while people can see it.
I know. Alright, so. This is the Majesty single coil in the neck. I asked for like new pots because the ones that come from WMI are kind of the cheap foreign ones. This is both positions. This is a Seymour Duncan vintage stack because it comes with a stacked single coil. It's not as good as this one. That's going to take some getting used to. Volume knob off. Can you hear it? And listen to the tone of the volume knob, guys. I'm playing really sloppy because I'm really excited. I just came home from work. So, thanks, Rob. Thanks, Joe. Thanks again, Chef. I appreciate it. I'm going to start making videos so that I'm not just the one guy that uploaded that one video about his Chapman ML3T that one time. I have a bevy of guitars that I'm going to be reviewing and talking about, but...
Which one's your favorite?
I don't know.
As of right now, which one's your favorite?
As of right now, this one's my favorite. It's strung with Diodario NYXL. I don't know the gauge, but they're like power slinkies because I've been using Ernie Ball my entire life, and I'm just now switching over to Diodario because they don't sound better, but they sound better. You know what I mean? Yeah. No. Ryan doesn't. Ryan's shaking his head no. Ryan, show them shaking your head no. Okay. That's enough in your face. And so that's these, and I'm really excited. So thanks again, guys, and have a good time. Bye.